Hey everyone, welcome back to my shop. I've got an old TV here I picked up at the Highway 127 yard sale. If you're not familiar with that, it's just a really long yard sale that goes from, I think, Michigan down to Alabama. And everyone sets up tents along the road, and you can buy other people's junk. Well, I bought this old TV, and my intention is to turn it into a little cat house. Andy's going to come over here in a few minutes. This TV has all sorts of old tubes in it, and he likes to collect that stuff for fixing old radios. When he gets here, we're going to pull the back off it and take the guts out.
You got tools? The only thing I brought.
I got tools, yeah.
Okay,
Of course I got tools, Andy.
I know you do.
Are you going to discharge capacitors with that? Oh.
Yeah.
Well, all right, well, let's turn it.
Okay.
And then we'll take the guts out. Well, that's heavy.
There you go. Probably tempered.
I have to know, drop it and find out.
Okay.
Andy got all the tubes he wanted, and of course we ended up with lunch. And I've come back to the shop now. I cut a piece of plywood that fits very nicely inside at the bottom of the TV. I'm going to need that because I want the little cat bed to sit nice and flat there. But I'm also going to mount some legs that I got on Amazon. I want it to sit up off the ground about 6 inches. I got these on Amazon for about $20. I'm also going to get some adhesive silicone. I want to glue the channel changer back into the front. And there's these little knobs here, and these were on the side for the contrast, brightness, and vertical and horizontal hold button for pots. So I'm going to just make a little block of wood and glue it in there and just drill a hole and just put those in there. It'll just be a nice touch. The last thing I want to do this evening is just glue this piece of wood to the base of the TV, and I'm just going to use some adhesive caulk for that. And I also made a little block of wood just to glue to the side to hold the little adjustment knobs. All right, the silicone is dried overnight. I still need to glue the channel changer in place, but I've got the white adhesive silicone and I just don't want it to show through, so I'm going to go get some clear silicone in a bit and then glue that on. But I want to put the legs on it. Flip it over. I got the channel changer glued on. I put the knobs in the side. I think if I had 2 of these, I might leave the glass in the front and cut a hole in the side, because then you'd have a little fishbowl effect. It is tinted though, but yeah, it'd be kind of interesting to try leaving the glass in the front and just have the access coming in the side. But next time. But fun little project. It didn't take long to do. Pretty easy. The hardest part is finding an old TV that they don't want a fortune for. The legs, I think, fit pretty well. And now I just need to find a cat to throw in there. There we go. Go in there. Yeah. Well, that wraps this project up. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time.